My name is Dominic. I'm your captain and tour leader here on the canals. Welcome. We are off for a small journey for about half hour, and left and right I will give you some explanations over the sites. Stoort dat voor onze Nederlandse wereldburgers dat ik de tour enkel in Engels doe? Ja hoor. Kan ik wat toffere uitleg geven? So we start here in front of us with Belfry Tower, 83 meters of height, 366 steps to the top. There are 47 bells, who all together weigh 27 tons. On a clear day it's possible to see the sea. If you look well, the tower is leaning 1 meter this way, so a few hundred years more and we have our own Tower of Pisa. The guy who plays the bells has to go up and down 6 times a day. It looks like this. Luckily there's a toilet upstairs, or else it was skin and bones. Here on our left side, the old palace of just the 17th century with its 4 pigeon towers. Pigeons in the Middle Ages were the fastest way to send an email. On our right side with red windows, it's the Pelican House. Used to be a poor man's house. And the paradox, next door we have the most expensive bed and breakfast in Bruges. If we take our journey here to the right, we finally arrive in Ghent, also a very nice city to have a visit. The white building here on our left side is from the College of Europe. It's a post-university. It's not for everybody because the exams to get in are really difficult, and then you have the price cost you 32,000 euros per year. So it's, I think, they're buying their diploma, but who am I? But the system works. They have students out of more than 50 different countries. The green statue here in front of us is Jan van Eyck. He's one of the famous painters out of the Flemish primitives. It's also he who perfected the process of painting with oil paint. The flag of Bruges. The white building on our left side, just behind the bridge, is the old British Council, 17th century. Now the building is still being used as a primary school and hardly a need for some restoration. On the corner we have the Spanish Villa. Now it's a temple for the beer lovers with the beer wall. In Belgium we have around and about 3,600 different kinds of beer. So if you like to try them all in 1 year, you have to drink 10 a day. And then you have 5 magical days left to have a massive hangover. The tower here in front of us is from the church Our Lady, with a height of 122 meters. It's also there we find a small statue of Madonna with Child from Michelangelo. On our left side of the Tuileries with a special windows. It's to say it's crystal imported from Murano, Venice, Italy. The bridge we're going to sail under now is built in 3 different time zones. The first one here is 15th century with the stalactite. Then we have 16th century. And the last one is 17th century. Here in front of us we have the May Bridge, 12th, here in front of us the Bonifacius Bridge, or the Bridge de Loved Ones. Internationally known as the Kissy Bridge. So here they take a lot of wedding pictures and of course a lot of kisses. Here a wooden gable, 17th century, very nicely restored. One of the buildings of the old St. John's Hospital out of the 12th century. Was it the first hospital in Europe, and it was active till 1976. Now it's still possible to visit the old pharmacy. In a few moments we will arrive at the lowest bridge. Please do attention for your head, if you still have, of course.
Hij vindt die grapjes al lang niet meer grappig natuurlijk. Die heeft al 1000 keer gemaakt.
So on our right side, the brewery Halvermaan, it's here they make the brews Zot and Strava Hendrik. And when you look inside, you already see great parts of the modern installation. Attention please. In front of us the tower of the St. Xavier's Cathedral, 12th century. And here one more time a very nice view over the tower of the church Our Lady. Around the corner we will find the smallest window in Bruges. Sadly we're almost at the end of our tour, and I hope you had a nice moment with us. I would like to thank you for your attention during the tour. And for the rest, I wish you a very good day with such a lovely weather. Left in front of us, we have the second brewery of the city, Bourgogne de Flandre. They have a very nice beer tasting. If you are satisfied over the tour and the information given by me, please, when you step out of the boat, a tip for your captain will be very well appreciated. Why, thanks up front.